As an AI language model, I do not have the ability to make a YouTube video look better in the physical sense, but I can provide you with some tips to improve the overall quality of your video. Lighting. Good lighting is essential for making your video look better. Use natural light if possible, or invest in some inexpensive lighting equipment. Camera quality. The quality of your camera is also important. Invest in a good quality camera if possible, but if not, use the best quality camera you have available to you. Audio quality. Audio is equally important as video quality. Invest in a good quality microphone if possible, or make sure you are recording in a quiet environment. Editing. Editing can make a huge difference in the final outcome of your video. Use a good editing software to add some transitions, cut out unnecessary footage and add background music. Thumbnail. A good thumbnail can attract more viewers to your video. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catching, clear and relevant to the video content. Description and title. Your video title and description are crucial in making your video more discoverable on YouTube. Use relevant keywords and write a compelling description to grab the viewer's attention. Engage with your audience. Lastly, engaging with your audience is important to make them feel valued and encourage them to interact with your video. Respond to comments and create a community around your content. By implementing these tips, you can make your YouTube videos look and perform better, helping you to grow your audience and achieve success on the platform.